Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty with xking.com hit you with a video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about lead pages. And lead pages is a software that you could build landing pages. You can build landing pages. You can build pop-ups for your blog. You can drive traffic to these landing pages and collect leads. And these leads, you can use your autoresponder to collect the leads. So the question is today, I have a hard time finding this online. Lead Pages has a really good affiliate program, and the affiliate program pays 30% of the customer's bill for life as long as they remain a customer. And they have a 30-day cookie. So cookie means they're tracked to you for 30 days. So they make a purchase in 30 days, you get that commission. So, so the price is like, I think Lead Pages basic price is $32 per month for their service. So that's just one customer. So the question is, how do you promote it? Lead Pages, how do you promote it? Well, the first thing you need to do is in order to promote it, first of all, you have to be a Lead Pages customer. So you got to have an actual account with Lead Pages. So you have the link below will send you to the Lead Pages, so you can sign up to have an account. Once you have an account, you create a separate affiliate account within your primary account. So first of all, you must have an account with Lead Pages, which if you're trying to build something online, you need landing page software anyway. Lead Pages is a good way to go. So sign up first. You need to sign up with Lead Pages first in order to get an affiliate account. That's the first thing. The second thing is that how you promote it. There are several ways to promote it so you get people looking at it. The first way will be write blog posts about it. Write your blog post, use the software yourself, write your blog post. You could hire a writer from iWriter.com, link below the video for that, to write for you the blog post for your post on your blog about lead pages, lead pages versus ClickFunnels, whatever. Do something like that, real clever like that. So the another way you get to promote it, if you have a blog, is a YouTube channel. You do YouTube videos. You're showing people the software itself. So you're showing people inside the software. You're showing people the templates they can use, and you could do it that way. YouTube videos. Lead Pages also have ebooks you can give away. I think they have a consulting package you can give away. They have webinars you can give away. They have banner ads you can give away. So you take that banner ad and you can pay a website to post it on their site, and it has your link inside that banner ad. So you could buy banner ad space. My some eye bother me, allergies. You could buy banner ad space on a website that has a lot of traffic, and you can buy that space out and promote Lead Pages. And the good thing about Lead Pages is that you have to be a customer. You have to have an account. So if people are serious about promoting it for themselves, they would get an account. So I would do that. Let's say paid traffic is one way. You can use Lead Pages to drive traffic to Lead Pages. Banner ads, the consulting package, they have ebooks you can promote, YouTube videos, you can write blog posts about it, you can talk about it on social media, post it on, do a Pinterest post about it, write a paragraph about Lead Pages, create a nice thumbnail, and post it on Pinterest as well to drive traffic that way. So there's multiple ways to promoting it. I would do the blog post, YouTube video. I would do some paid traffic as well. If you have a blog that has decent traffic, you do a banner ad on the side of your site that has lead pages on there as well. And you gotta think outside the box. How I gotta promote this, and that's how I promote it. If you got an email list, I'll promote the email list. That's how I'll promote Lead Pages. If I I am now. I'm starting to promote it now because it's a good service I've been using. So yeah, I'm gonna use Lead Pages, and the affiliate is 30% of their customer's bill, which is pretty good. and I like promoting this anyway. I use this anyway. That's how I promote it. If you don't have a blog and you still believe you'll need a blog today, I mean, all the people that makes money online, they all have websites. They all have blogs. Not a blog, but a website they own and run. You must have a blog. So you don't have a blog right now. It's really cheap to run. It's right content below the video. There's a link to Bluehost that will get you a free domain with your setup account. You pay like $3-4 per month. And you want to join the leadpages affiliate program, you must have an account with leadpages. So that link below the video as well. And if you want to just hire a writer to write you an article about leadpages, and you put your affiliate links inside, use iWriter.com, which I use, and they'll write you a article for like $30 or $40. You can post on your blog, and with this blog post, you can post on your blog. You could do a video about the blog post. You could do, if you have a podcast, you do a podcast about leadpages and that blog post. You can post that blog post on all social media. That blog post could be on Pinterest, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram. It could be on Twitter. It could be a host of places you could post that blog post. So, and also in my other videos, what I had done was, you know, if you get, let's say you write 5 articles about leadpages, you could take all 5 articles and put that in a ebook and name it Leadpages Secrets and sell the book. And your book has your affiliate links to everything. So again, that's how you would do it. Yeah, you could just put that content, those 5 articles in an ebook. It already has your affiliate links, so you can name it Leadpages Secrets or How to Use Leadpages, and you can promote the ebook. You have it on your Amazon store. I mean, you have it on Kindle. Maybe it's a $1 download or a free download, and give it away, and it has your links. So I gave you a lot of ways to promote it: ebook, blog posts, put on blog posts and ebook. There's 2 ways: YouTube video, paid traffic, banner ads. They have a lot of ads on their affiliate program, so they'll, you know, they have ebooks to give away. They have webinars to give away. So you give a lot of stuff away for free in exchange for someone to promote them. So that's how I'm going to promote them, leadpages. So thanks for watching my video. I might do an update once I implement all these ways to make promote leadpages. I might go ahead and just, you know, do that myself. Take 5 blog posts that I get rid from iWriter that's on my blog, put an ebook, put on Kindle, Amazon Kindle, and then do YouTube videos about it, like this one, and, you know, pay traffic, put a banner on my blog. So there's plenty of ways to promote it. Again, if I get people to my email list, you can promote it through your sales funnel as well. So that's another way you can promote it. So always want to be promoting mode. So that's the end of my video. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know below the video, and I'll be happy to help you out with it. But if you don't have a blog today, if you don't have a website, that's your domain. You control the look and feel, what's the content on it. You need to start a blog in 2019. You need a website. You can't. It's hard to make money online with no website, no YouTube channel. It's hard to do it. So get your blog today. Start your blog today. All the links below the video with how to make money on YouTube. I have a free course on affiliate marketing. I